I'm back and I'm heading on another adventure to Phu Quoc Island. So episode 8 is going to hopefully be a very fun journey. Follow me to Phu Quoc. And I made it. I am on Phu Quoc Island. I feel like one of the measuring tools we use to find out if a resort is a good one is whether or not it has a library. So today I am going to take a cooking class, and it's a vegetarian day, and I'm here at the Phu Quoc Countryside. I guess it's a cooking school, a restaurant as well, but yeah, I'm looking forward to some good food. But first we have to take a tour of the sustainable organic farm.
Oh, ginger.
Yeah. So ginger.
We sample every leaf imaginable, and my favorite is the Vietnamese cinnamon. This sustainable farm has acres of pepper trees, and our guide has a wealth of information about all of the variants of plants that produce pepper.
They move from the location middle Vietnam.
This looks gorgeous. So I just got served a blue bean honey tea. We've picked our vegetables and now we cook. Peel it first and then shave it?
Yeah.
What is this?
Taro.
Taro?
Taro.
I don't even know what taro is.
Some people from this way to others.
Hey, wow, beautiful. So nice. What kind of oil are you using?
This one peanut oil, but
Okay.
then I had the curry, curry in the farm, no color from them.
First,
These are obviously mushrooms, but this is white seaweed.
Your family is the vegan and also.
And now we get to eat our tremendous feast. Good company, good food, and I can't wait to dig in. I'm heading back to the resort. It's been an absolutely delicious meal. I am full up, and yeah, this was a treat, a little treat to myself, and I highly recommend it. So this is day 2. It's super early right now, but I got my sunblock on, and I think rather than finding a pile of activities, I'm just gonna hang out here at the resort and take a load off. Oh my goodness, check out that infinity pool. My day is spent unapologetically doing absolutely nothing. It's time for a cheeseburger. Thank you. Ooh. Thank you. Echo Beach Resort serves up some really delicious food and even better cocktails. Oh my God, that is a good margarita. It doesn't take long to fall in love with this infinity pool. I'm gonna dive in. Now I'm gonna hang out in this infinity pool until possibly sunset, and then maybe go and get some more cocktails or dinner or a pedicure. It's day 3, and I'm gonna start with some yummy breakfast. So I am going to take a bit of a risk today. The taxis up to Rockvam Village, which is where Starfish Beach is about 400 each way, 400,000 VND each way. That's a lot of moolah when I can just rent a scooter for 150 and then just fill the tank. So it's literally about a quarter of what I would pay for a taxi. There is a reason why this trip takes almost an hour from the hotel, and those dirt roads are something else, man. Fun and beautiful this journey has been, but Lord have mercy. Those dirt roads are something else on this small little scooter. My scooter is already making some funky noises, and I have no idea what I'm going to tell the guy who rented this to me, but all it took was one bump, and this thing went downhill quickly. So, of course, this place is called Starfish Beach to the American tourists, but I suspect this is what it's actually called to everybody else. So, tide is high today, so none of the tourists or the locals can see the red starfish on the beach. So I am taking a boat out to a small island, and I'll be able to hopefully see the starfish there. With a little bit of effort, I managed to get into this boat. This is a long way to come for maybe like 15 starfish. Getting to this beach was definitely worth it. It's beautiful here, and I'm looking forward to trying those floating restaurants and seeing what kind of food they have to offer. As for Starfish Beach, I am very happy that I came here, even though it's not quite the way it looks on Google Images. Google Images shows a white sand beach just covered like Christmas starfish, red for as far as the eye can see. And That's not the case today. Maybe it has been on other days. Today, that's not the case. Am I disappointed? Absolutely not, because I'm in paradise. I'm gonna go get a coconut. Coconut time. I'm on my way back to Echo Beach Resort, and I passed this little place, and as I was driving by, I just got a smidge of the river, so I turned around and came back. There. Oh, thank you. This looks delicious. Oh, so refreshing. If this is what I think it is, this is artichoke tea, and it is my fave. Let's check this out. It's Christmas Eve, and I'm gonna come to the Eco Resort Christmas party. There's a DJ already set up, and I'm gonna catch the remaining fragment of the sunset and enjoy this Christmas Eve. I hope all of you are having a wonderful Christmas Eve as well.